Which Sandler techniques are most impactful to your personal life? Believe it or not, when people go through Sandler training, they often say that the biggest change was in their personal life, even regardless of all those great sales calls that they go on and how it grows and changes their business. But I would love to ask you, talk about this in your sales meeting this week, and definitely share these in the comments below. Which Sandler techniques, tactics, skills, attitudes have helped you most in your personal life outside of the business world? For me, several things come to mind. I think questioning skills are great when you're working with a child or a spouse or a partner. It's really great to be a good listener, to ask great questions, and to clarify questions with the Sandler reversing techniques. It'll save you a lot of time and effort, and it'll even help you pick where you're going to dinner on Friday night. Outside of that, I think it's the I-10 concept and IR theory. When you think about separating who you are from what you do and understanding everybody is a 10 on a scale of 1 to 10 with their identity and who they are, it really is a game changer for how you see your family members, your friends, and how you can help support them in changing maybe their roles or what they're doing, but still respecting and treating them with dignity as a person. Those are two huge concepts for me, but I want to know what yours is. What's your favorite Sandler technique outside of a sales call? Share that in the comments below.